There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. We're all supposed to stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. And we're gonna stay indoors.
There's a sunshine at the door. There's a sunshine at the door. There's a sunshine at the door. And I'm supposed to stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the door.
There's a sunshine at the door. What we can do is just explore the magic buried inside us all. It needs a medium to roll. What better time are you waiting for? Find that sunshine within more. But all you need is stay indoors. Well, there's a sunshine everywhere.
There's a sunshine at the doors. We supposed to stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the door. We supposed to stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the door.
There's a sunshine at the door. There's a sunshine at the door. There's a sunshine at the door. And we all must stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the door. And we are supposed to stay indoors.
There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. And we're supposed to stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the doors. And we all must stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. And we all must stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the doors. And we all must stay indoors. There's a sunshine at the door. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors. There's a sunshine at the doors.
Hi everyone, this is my first music video and I hope you all liked it. It is an expression of gratitude for all the corona warriors from different parts of the world who are working day and night for our good health and putting their health at risk. All the corona warriors are like sunshine for all of us. Do share this video with the world around you and express your gratitude too. Thanks to all the creative artists who have put in their efforts in making this sunshine song. Thank you all.